I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. This channel is focused on finding peace through saving and selling and sharing our blended families debt-free journey. So I am Courtney Carter, Mama Style Saver, aka. So today I want to share with you guys a DIY cleaner I've been using in our house recently. So it's really more for showers and bathtub cleaning, but you could totally use it for other purposes as well. It's definitely a multi-purpose cleaner. It only contains a couple products and it is super cheap and easy to make. So I wanted to share with you guys today how you can go about making this yourself and using it in your home. Okay, so here are the ingredients and really materials that you're going to use to make this multi-purpose cleaner. So I actually have one that I just made that is ready to go, and really I'm that cheap where I have an empty Windex cleaner or bottle. So I'm using that. Of course, you could use whatever plastic spray bottle you want. That's just something that I had already. So I'm using that for my spray bottle. And then you just need 7 fluid ounces of Dawn. So this is kind of the smaller Dawn that you're going to see in the store. I'm pretty sure I got that at Walgreens for $1. They usually have them for $1 there. And then I have a big thing of vinegar. You really just need 7 fluid ounces of vinegar, but if you want to really get the bang for your buck with vinegar, you could just get a bigger one and use it for other purposes. I just have a measuring cup here, and then I just added that tape and a permanent marker if you want to label your water bottle. Of course, that is optional. You do not have to do that. But that is the simple ingredients that is the cleaner. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you make it, and you'll see how super simple it is. Okay, so we have our 3 necessary materials here to make this. So I actually already measured out the vinegar, and you're actually going to also want to heat this up. I just did it for 45 seconds. It's just better when it's a little bit warm. It just mixes better. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour this into the bottle. Almost a perfect pour. So, and then I'm just going to take this entire bottle of Dawn and squeeze it in here. Which I just did the other one vice versa, where I did the Dawn and then the vinegar, and I would say doing the vinegar first and then the Dawn second is better. I think it just blends better. I'd forgotten that you should do the vinegar first. So vinegar first, then do the Dawn, and then you can just give it a little mix here, just like that, and you're ready to clean. So this also works good with a magic eraser, but you can just use a rag as well, or sponge, to wipe up after you spray this on. So I hope that was helpful for you guys, and if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, and I will be sharing more of our journey as we go along. Talk to you guys later.